Hello. I've tried to record this video about 7 times now and I've been unsuccessful, so this is the video that did not want to be. So hopefully this time it'll work. I want to show you how to take a screenshot because several of the English 100 assignments require you to do a screenshot. So, for example, in the classical argument folder, if you will scroll down to the English 100 classical argument assignments, you will see that for the Pearson Tutor Review and for the classical argument post-grade reflection, both of those require you to do a screenshot. So the best way that we have found to do that is to come over to your little Windows button. Hopefully you have Windows. You'll have something similar on MacBook, of course. So the snip tool is pretty great. So it'll open up and you click New. It will shade your screen. Then that allows you to pull across. Get your snip. Then you're going to go over here and save it in the upper right hand corner. Perfect. So this will be snip sample 3. So I'm going to save that under Documents. So then when it's time for me to go in and post my reflection, I will be able to just pull that up. So let me close this snip out. So I'm back in the live version. So let's say we're going to post this on the post-grade reflection. So I'm going to open up the right submission. I'm going to copy and paste my questions down here. I'm going to answer those. And then on the Browse My Computer button, I'm going to go over to my documents. And hopefully, snip 3, booyah, is going to be there. So I'm going to click that, I'm going to open it, that will attach it to the assignment, and then I can submit, and all will be well. Okay, perfect. I'm probably going to post this one, even though it has flaws. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions.